If you have a workbook that is quite large, has lots of formula, and is lagging each time you try to use it because it's constantly recalculating formula, you might want to use the manual calculation option in Microsoft Excel. This can be done by going to the Formula section in Excel, then clicking Calculation Options, and then selecting the manual mode. When the calculation options are set to manual, no formula will calculate in the workbook unless you tell it to do so, which can be done through the F9 button as a shortcut, or you can save the file, which will trigger an automatic recalculation, or you can go back to turning back on the automatic calculations. I've worked with huge workbooks that were massive in size for financial planning and analysis, and they had tons of calculations. In that workbook, when I wanted to modify the formula, add formula, or just add new data to the workbook, I would always keep the workbook itself in manual mode. And then when I was completed with working on the worksheet, I would switch back on automatic mode or just hit F9 to recalculate the workbook. This saved a lot of time from having to wait for the workbook to constantly recalculate and update and refresh all of the numbers as I were updating it. Let's take a look at an example. Let's set calculations to manual, and then let's change the formula in cell J2 to multiply it by an FX rate of 1.3. Notice that Excel will still calculate one-off cells, but won't calculate large amounts of data with formula in manual mode. Next, let's copy the cell containing the revised formula with the foreign exchange rate and drag it down through the whole column below it. We can paste special formulas so that we don't mess up the format of that entire table. As you can see, when we navigate through the cells in column J, they do contain the proper formula, but they have not calculated yet. They still all represent $44,659, which is the same value as what is being calculated in cell J2. To recalculate the sheet, all we need to do is click the F9 button, and all of the formulas will recalculate and refresh in the workbook. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.